Welcome back to the channel, food lovers. Today we are diving into a culinary adventure at two amazing locations of Haji K.K. Koya Restaurant in Brunei. One at Batu Satu, Jalan Tutong, and the other in Serusop. Both spots are renowned for their extensive Halal Indian and Malay menu, and I can't wait to share my experience with you. First up, let's talk about the rich history of Haji K.K. Koya Restaurant. The original location opened its door in 1939 in Telisai, Tutong. It quickly became a favorite among travelers heading to Syria, Kuala Blight, or even Miri. Fast forward to 2023, and the Batu Satu branch has taken over the site of the former Lucky Restaurant, bringing with it a legacy of deliciousness that continues to attract both locals and tourists alike. Now let's get into what makes these restaurants stand out. Their extensive menu. Here are some must-try dishes. Roti Murtabak, a savory stuffed flatbread that's crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Dosai, a thin, crispy pancake made from fermented rice and lentil batter. Mee goreng, stir-fried noodles packed with flavor. Mee tiao and mee hoon, rice noodles that are perfect for any meal. Signature Rojak KK Koya, a refreshing salad with a mix of fruits and vegetables. Rice dishes, including nasi biryani and mee mama. Soto, a fragrant soup that's perfect for any time of day. And don't forget their popular drinks like lassi and masala tea, which perfectly complements your meal. Our tasting experience. During our visit at Batu Satu, we decided to try out some popular dishes. We started with the Sarang Burung, which is essentially roti cooked in a heart shape with two poached eggs. It came beautifully plated with dhal sauce, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. The roti was crispy yet fluffy without being oily, while the dal curry was thick and bursting with flavor. Next up was the Murtabak, which was generously stuffed and cooked to perfection. The highlight was definitely the rojak, loaded with fresh vegetables like cucumber, pineapple, turnip, alongside cuttlefish and fried flour. The sauce drizzled over it was simply generous. To wash it all down, we enjoyed their fragrant masala tea, which had a delightful aroma that filled the air as soon as it arrived at our table. A few days later, I went to Haji K.K. Koya Restaurant in Serusop, Brunei, where I indulged in a delightful array of dishes that truly showcased the restaurant's reputation for excellent halal Indian and Malay cuisine. Upon entering the restaurant, I was greeted with a warm atmosphere and a menu brimming with options. Here's what I ordered. Plain naan with chicken masala. The naan was fantastic. It had a fluffy texture and those beautiful golden brown spots from the baking process. Paired with the chicken masala, which was spicy and aromatic, each bite was simply delicious. Soto Putih Hati Buya. This dish, also known as soto bihun with beef lungs, was a standout. The portion was just right, and the rich broth seasoned with garlic, onion, galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lime created a depth of flavor that was incredibly satisfying. Ayam Biryani or Chicken Biryani. This dish did not disappoint either. They generously served two pieces of chicken alongside aromatic basmati rice that was cooked to perfection. The spices infused throughout made it a memorable dish. Roti Kuning. We also tried the Roti Kuning, which is a soft yellow bread toasted with butter and kaya. While it was tasty, I found the kaya a bit too sweet for my liking. Overall, my experience at both branches of Haji K.K. Koya was exceptional. The combination of flavorful dishes and welcoming service makes it a must visit for anyone in Brunei looking for authentic Indian and Malay cuisine. If you're ever in Serusop or Batu Satu, make sure to stop by. Your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food adventures.